Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami. As always, stay safe. So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half. And then now fold in half, but this time from top to bottom. Now fold the top edge down again, but this time you should stop towards the center. Now fold the top edge again, but this time you need to stop at the top crease. Repeat the same thing again. Fold the left and right edges to the center crease. Now fold the top corners over to the side. Now take the outer flaps and fold them diagonally outward. Fold the top corners to the center here. Now you have your own origami 2D pencil. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.